Thank you very much for joining us. Now, you're working very closely with the Chinese government in regards to its environmental policies and its transition towards clean, green energy. How is China doing in that regard? Will China meet their 2030 low carbon emissions target?
We already have several targets, like we will peak around 2030 and we'll make it earlier. And also we have a carbon intensity target, which is reduced by 60% to 65% by 2030. We also have the targets for the non-fossil fuel energy use and also for the carbon sink as well. So we already made an assessment, especially for the last 5 years. Actually, we made a little bit ahead of our schedule.
Can you give us some examples of specific projects that could be credited with this sort of success that we're seeing?
Actually, China used the hybrid way, used the bottom-up and also the top-down. Top-down means the central government have a national target which will allocate it to the provincing, and then the provincing will allocate it to the city and the towns. And also we encourage the bottom-up innovation, especially by the cities and also the companies, and also the other, like the NGOs, civil societies. They all have a collective progress on that.
Well, that leads me right into my next question, the financial backing behind this transition to clean, green energy. What is the Chinese government putting into this monetarily?
In the last 5 years, China has invested about 5.8 trillion RMB and into the low carbon development. And also for the whole period, which means from 2005 to 2030, we have a plan to invest about 41 trillion RMB in the low carbon industry and also sectors related. And that will be increased about 63 million green jobs for China.